A very good morning, girls. So already you know that we are discussing the third unit of the numerical analysis. Of course, already I know that you think that ma'am 2 units are enough. Of course, yes, ma 2 units are more enough. But why I am saying all this is just sometimes you are not perfect with any application or any method in a first and second unit. Then go for the Hermite polynomial. Okay. And first and second unit, please girls, just prepare all the topics. And coming to the third unit, you have a Hermite polynomial, you have a practical problem. So just prepare the practical problems, and now you have a certain time to prepare, right? So I hope that I think 9th and 10th you have some sec papers, and after that you have my paper. Firstly you have to prepare the numerical analysis, and next you have a vector calculus, ma'am. Remember that one. So confuse ayi edo prepare avvakandi, okay? And the another thing is, today at any cost, actually I thought to talk with you, but it is not possible to talk with every girl. So that's why I hopefully you did a good thing, ma. So that is you created one group related to the all maths people. So by that I can give the information about the papers. Of course already our college is finished, I mean to you, but for the examination, if I want to give any information about the exams and so on, so then definitely I'll post in that one. Actually yesterday I think in the after 9 I texted you, right? So once you see all those, just I texted just one message. So once you see that one, and next here, coming to this one, third and fourth unit lo definitely just prepare Hermite polynomial. Okay, Hermite polynomial new things avasram ledu, just prepare the practical problem. Okay, so next here we have that in a third unit we have another topic, that is numerical differentiation and integration. Okay, so in numerical differentiation and integration we have certain formulas. So these are the very simple problems. So now I am going to discuss that one, and I will discuss the practical problem. Edo problem discuss chese badulu, instead of that one I am going to discuss the practical problem. Okay, so otherwise I will discuss one problem, by that you can. Okay, and definitely at any cost definitely I will send the solutions of the practical. So there is no problem. Enduku nenu send chesta antunante, now you don't have a time to calculate all those. So that's why I want to share the practical solution. That's it. So now here put a side heading numerical differentiation. Directly I am giving the formula, ma. Okay, numerical differentiation, in that write down, ma. Forward difference formula. So here they are saying that numerical differentiation means definitely we have to take that f dash of x, no? So that's why generally f dash of x value is nothing but, what is the value? Limit f of x plus h minus f of x by h, as a h tends to x naught. Okay, so this of course here x naught, and here also x naught. Okay, and h tends to simply 0. So this is a general formula for the f dash of x. And now here they are going to use that the concept of the forward differences and backward differences. Okay, if h is greater than 0, just write on, ma. If h is greater than 0, the forward difference formula is f dash of x naught equal to f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught by h minus h by 2 f double dash of xi. This term is called as a error. Ante generally entante idi formula. So nenu limit consider cheyakunda directly I am considering like this. So that's why this is called as some error. That's it. Okay, this is nothing but the formula for the forward. And for the backward, what you have to do, simply you have to take that for h is less than 0, we will get that backward. Okay, so now write down. Next, write down. In general, next line. In general, the polynomial is in general the polynomial is f of x equal to summation k equal to 0 to n f of xk into lk of x plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 and so on x minus xn by n plus 1 factorial into n plus 1th derivative xi of x. Okay, so generally summation k equal to 0 to n f of xk, that means here k equal to 0, so f of x naught into L naught of x plus here this value. So for each and every term we have to consider. Okay, next continuation ma. Finally for the derivative f dash of xj is equal to summation k equal to 0 to n f of xk into lk dash of x j plus n plus 1th derivative of xi of xj whole divided by n plus 1 factorial pi, and here k equal to 0 to n and k is not equal to j, and here xj minus xk. Why they are mentioning the condition ma? K is not equal to j. If k equal to j, then simply we will get that 0. So that's why. Okay, this is the main formula you have to remember. Okay, so now next continuation, which is called n plus 1 point formula, which is called n plus 1 formula. Here firstly we have all the formulas, so now I am giving the formulas, after that we will discuss the problems. Okay, next put a side heading 3 point formula. 3 point formula. Okay, write down. Here x1 equal to x naught plus h, x2 equal to actually x1 plus h. What is x1? x naught plus h. So what we get here? x naught plus 2h. For some h is not equal to 0. Then f dash of x naught equal to 1 by 2h of, write clearly, f of x naught minus 2h minus 4 of x naught minus h minus f of x naught plus 2h close bracket plus h square by 3 third derivative of xi of 0. Okay, actually for this one we have some calculation part, but no need of all this, simply I'm giving that the formula only. Okay, so this is nothing but 3 point formula. What they are saying, f dash of x naught is equal to 1 by 2h of x naught minus 2h, x naught minus 4 into f of x naught minus h minus f of x naught plus 2h plus h square by 3 f third derivative of f at xi naught. Okay, where xi naught lies between. Okay, next 3 point end point formula. 3 point end point formula. 3 point end point formula. Write down ma. F dash of x naught, you have to write all these formulas. 1 by 2h of minus 3 into f of x naught plus 4 into f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught plus 2h plus h square by 3 third derivative of xi naught, where xi naught lies between x naught and x naught plus 2h. Okay, next 3 point midpoint formula. F dash of x naught, write down. F dash of x naught Okay, so here these are nothing but the formulas. Next we have that 5-point endpoint formula and midpoint and same thing. Okay, now listen carefully. So here 3-point endpoint formula, so that's why they are taking the third derivative. Okay, this is clear. Okay, next here we are getting 3 and 3. For midpoint we are getting that 6. Next see the terms, 1 by 2h, 1 by 2h, 1 by 2h is common. F of x naught minus 2h, and here x naught minus 3, they are taking generally 3 terms. Okay, and here also 3 terms. End point formula means simply they are starting with x naught plus h, x naught plus 2h, and here minus plus minus. Next coming to the midpoint. Midpoint means 2 values. We will consider the 2 values, we will take by 2, no. In the same way, f of x naught plus h plus minus f of x naught minus h, but here they are taking that minus instead of plus. Okay, this is nothing but 3-point endpoint formula, 3-point midpoint and 3-point formula. Next we have that 5-point formula, 5-point midpoint formula, 5-point endpoint formula. Write down ma. 5-point midpoint formula. Directly f dash of x naught equal to 1 by 12h of f of x naught minus 2h minus 8 of f of x naught minus h plus 8 of f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught plus 2h plus h power 4 by 30, fifth derivative of xi. Okay, and next 5-point endpoint formula. F dash of x naught equal to 1 by 12h of minus 25 of f of x naught plus 48 of f of x naught plus h minus 36 of f of x naught plus 2h plus 16 of f of x naught plus 3h minus 3 into f of x naught plus 4h close bracket plus h power 4 by 5 into fifth derivative of xi. Okay, so where xi lies between, write down, where xi lies between x naught and x naught plus 4h. Okay, so now here I am going to discuss one problem, and before that, yeah, we have that the second derivative midpoint formula, only one formula we have for the second derivative. Of course all these are not needed for you, but okay, now write down ma. Values of f of x, values of f of x equal to x into e power x, f of x equal to x into e power x are given in table, use all the applicable 3-point and 5-point formulas to approximate f dash of 2.0. Okay, actually here what they are asking is they gave the function value. Okay, we have to calculate the derivative, that means f dash of x, and you have to use that, I mean simply they gave that the values of the x and f of x ma in the table. So by using all those, simply we have to take the values. Okay, all possible 3-point endpoint, I mean 3-point and 5-point formulas they are asking ma. So that's why here I am going to use that 3-point mid. Okay, end point formula is nothing but this one, I am going to use this, and next one is midpoint also. Okay, using the midpoint also we can, so this is the midpoint, and next one they asked about the 5 also, so that's why 5-point formula, and you know, we can take any one, so simply I am taking 5-point midpoint formula because here I have the lengthy formula, so that's why I am taking simply that one. Okay, so now here for the 3 also we can take midpoint, there is no problem, but here okay, we will calculate in both ways. Okay, So now listen carefully. Now here for this one what I am going to use my 3-point formula, and next 3-point midpoint formula, next 5-point midpoint formula. Okay, so now here f of x is equal to x into e power x. They gave that the table values here. So now first of all I am writing the table values. Now here, yeah, x values are x and f of x they gave 1.3, sorry 1.8, 1.9, 2, okay. Nine three six five 12.703199 14.778112 17.148957 19.855030. Okay, so already here I have that 3-point midpoint formula, so directly I am going to substitute here, but I have to know the value of the x naught. What is x naught here? What they mentioned ma, x naught value is, x value is 2.0, right? So now here we have to consider the value of the x naught. So simply here they mentioned at x equal to 2.0. okay, so now first of all here we have to calculate that the value of the h. What is h? H is nothing but 1.9 minus 1.8, which is nothing but 0.1. So now here I have that the value of the h. Okay, now I have to know about the x naught. So here I am going to take that the value of the x naught is nothing but x itself. So x naught equal to x equal to 2.0. So now here I have the formula f dash of, what they are asking? They are asking to find f dash of 2.0. Now 1 by 2 of, what is h value? 0.1 into f of x naught plus h. X naught is 2 plus h is 0.1 minus x naught is 2 minus 0.1. Okay, next minus h square. H square means 0.1, and here we can ignore this value because here the derivative. So why we have to ignore? Listen carefully. For example, I have a f of x value that is nothing but some x cube simply. Now f dash of x, what is the value? 3x square. Next f double dash of x, that means 6x. Now f triple dash of x, then 6. So some constant will be there, right? And how the value? The value is decreasing, x cube, x square, x. So x term anedi decrease avutu vastundi. So in generally we can ignore this value. So then simply what we get? We will get like this. Okay, here ignoring the higher order derivatives. Higher order derivative ante the third derivative undi kabatti we can ignore. Okay, we have that facility also. And next here I have to calculate. So then what we get ma? Calci. I am using the 3-point midpoint formula. Okay, so now here 1 by 0.2, directly I am taking that 1 divided by 0.2, that is nothing but 5. Okay, 5 of f of 2 plus 0.1, that means f of 2.1 minus f of 2 minus 0.1 means 2 minus 0.1 means 1.9. Okay, now 5 of f of 2.1 means 17.148957 minus f of 1.9, that is 12.703199. So simply we have to take the subtraction, that is 17.148957 minus 12.703199. So here we have that 4.44 so something ma into 5 I am taking. So the answer is 22.22879. This is the answer for, yes, correct answer we have. This is the answer for 3-point midpoint formula. Now 3-point formula. So now what is the 3-point formula ma? So that is 3-point formula is f dash of x naught is equal to, 3-point endpoint formula I am taking 1 by 2h of minus 3 into f of x naught plus 4 into, just we have to substitute the value of the h and x naught, that's it. It is a very easy problem, and no need to consider the higher order derivatives, simple thing. Now what we get ma? F dash of 2.0. In the question they mentioned that at a 2.0, that's why I am taking x naught. Now 1 by 2h means 0.1 into 2, that is 0.2 of minus 3 f of 2.0 plus 4 of f of x naught plus h, 2.0 plus 0.1, that is 2.1 minus f of 2h means 2h is 0.1, 2h means 0.2, 0.2 plus 2, that is 2.2. Now it is 5 of f of 2.0 means minus 3 into, what is f of 2.0? 14.778112, okay, plus 4 into f of 2.1, 17.148957 plus 19.855030. Then what we get here directly, I am taking 3, okay, 3 into 14.778112. What is the value ma? 5 of 44.334336 plus multiply 4 into 17.148957, 68.595828 plus 19.855030. Now we have to take that the subtraction and addition, then minus 44.334336, okay, plus 68.595828, okay, plus 19.855030. Then we have that the answer is 44 point something and into 5 I have to. Now it is nothing but, I will check my answer. So once again, wait, f of 2.0 plus 2.0, okay, done. Sign చూడండమ్మా, once check చేయండి sign. Here it is minus, so minus I took it as a plus. Now minus 44.334 delete 336 plus 68.595828 minus 19.855030 into 5, which is equal to 22.03231. Yes, our answer is correct. So like this we have to calculate, and next thing we have to calculate 5-point midpoint formula, no? So here I am giving the formula, 5-point midpoint formula, write down 5-point midpoint formula. So what is the 5-point midpoint formula? F dash of x naught 1 by 12h of f of x naught minus 2h minus 8 into f of x naught minus h plus 8 into f of x naught plus h only, x naught plus h minus f of x naught plus 2h. So we can ignore that, the higher order derivatives. Okay, x naught minus 2h, x naught minus h, x naught plus h, and x naught and one alternative plus minus 188, and here 1. Okay, now directly 1 by 12 into 0 0.1. 2 into h means 2h value is 0 0.2. X naught 2.0 minus, that means 1.8 minus 8 of f of x naught is 2.0 minus 0 0.1, that is 1.9 plus 8 of f of x naught plus h, that is 2.1, right? X naught is 2.1, yeah, minus f of x naught is 2 plus 0 0.2, 2.2. Now 0 0.1 into 12, that is 1.2, right? Now 1 divided by 1.2, the answer is 0.8333. So I am taking that 0.8333456. Okay, because here they took up to 6 digits. Now f of 1.8 10.889305 minus 8 of f of 1.9 is 12.703199 plus 8 of 2.1 means 17.148957 minus f of 2 point, that means 19.855030. Okay, so now for this one simply just take the multiplication and just first of all here take the multiplication and addition and subtraction. Finally you will get the answer as 22.166999. Okay, so this is nothing but the procedure to calculate the problems related to the 5-point and 3-point formulas. Okay, so now here this is nothing but the applications, some simple application, and next we have the secondary, but no need of that one. But next thing we have a use the forward difference formulas and backward difference formulas to determine each missing entry in the following table. So that is a practical 26th one. So I'll say, and already I said that I'll send a solution for that. So that's why here I'll give the information about that problem. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss all this. Thank you.